Welcome back, dear students. This is our third lesson for mensuration. In the last lesson, we have already learned about the perimeter and area of different shapes like square, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, etc. In today's lesson, we will learn about the perimeter and area of triangle and kite. So let us start today's lesson. Perimeter and area of a triangle. Formula for area of a triangle is base multiplied by altitude divided by 2. We need to understand what is base and what is altitude. Let us consider all possible types of triangles. Number one, I am taking a triangle which is a right angle. That is, its one angle is 90 degree. This one. Secondly, I am taking a triangle each of whose angle is less than 90 or every angle is acute less than 90. This will be like this. And third case is a triangle whose one angle is greater than 90 is obtuse. Suppose this. In all the three cases, the side this is base, which is horizontal in this case, which is not necessary. This is base and two of the vertices are lying on this base. For example, this is triangle ABC. If AB is the base, A and B two vertices are on this line, base line. And third vertex is over here. The distance of third vertex from the base, perpendicular distance, shortest possible distance is called height. Length of this is called base. In this case, suppose this is A and B. If this AB length is the base, then height will not be this or this side. It will be perpendicular distance of C from this line AB, shortest possible distance. And in this case, if AB is the base, this is point C. So C's distance will be taken from AB produced. This one will be the height. So in all the three cases, area of triangle is base multiplied by height. Height is also called altitude. Base into altitude divided by 2. Perimeter is of course the sum of all the three sides of the triangle. Now we come across another important shape which is a kite. Kite is a quadrilateral. These two adjacent sides are equal in length and these two adjacent sides are also equal in length and its diagonals are perpendicular to each other. This is diagonal Q, this is diagonal P, they are perpendicular to each other. This side, if length of this side is A, it will also be A and these two adjacent sides will also be equal. So a kite is a quadrilateral that has two pair of equal lengths sides and these sides are adjacent to each other. So what is area of the kite? Area of the kite is product of two diagonals, length of two diagonal divided by 2. Half of product of lengths of two diagonal. So these two formulae we will use in today's lesson. Perimeter, of course, for kite, two sides will be of same length, two will be of same length. We will add these two length of two different sides and multiply it with 2 to get the area. Perimeter. Let us solve few questions now. We have to find the area of this triangle. You can clearly see this is the base over here. What is the base? 4. What is height then? 3. So area will be base into height over 2, 6 centimeters square. Easy one. In the second question again, let this be the base. Two vertices are on this side and this is third vertex and its perpendicular distance from base is 5. So area will be base 1 by 2 into base into, so this will be 65 by 2, which will be 32.5 centimeter square. Question 3. Find the area of the triangle below. This is base, this is height, this is acute triangle as we discussed the 3 cases. Its area will be base into height over 2, 40 over 2, which is 20 centimeter square. I hope this is clear. Now this is another triangle. This is base and this is altitude or height. Its area will be 10 multiplied by 12 over 2, 120 over 2, or 60 centimeter square. Question number 5. Again we have to find the area of this triangle. Base is what? Base is 24. Height is what? Height is 9 over 2. It will be 12 into 9, 108 centimeter square. Question number 6. We have to find the area of this shaded shape below. This shape is a parallelogram and a triangle. This shows this is a parallelogram and this length is 15. So this will also be 15. This is 15. And height of this parallelogram is 7. Area of the shaded shape, area will be equal to area of parallelogram plus area of triangle. Now, what is formula for area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Base is this length and height is distance between two parallel sides, which is 7. Now, area of triangle, base 15 multiplied by height, again 7 over 2. This will be 105 plus 105 over 2. This will be 105 plus 52.5, which will be 157.5 centimeter square. This is area. We have to find the area of this kite. Its area is equal to 30 multiplied by 20 over 2. 600 over 2. 300 square centimeter. Again a kite. Length of two diagonal is 25 and 17. Area will be 75 into 25 over 2 millimeter square. You can simplify it with yourself. Last question of today's class. There are two flower beds in the shape of a triangle and a parallelogram. This is a flower bed, which is a triangle, okay, and this is also a flower bed, which is a parallelogram, and a section of grass in the shape of trapezium. This is trapezium, this is grass basically, okay. The area of the grass is 2.5 times the total area of flower beds. The area of grass is 2.5 times the total area of flower bed. Okay, first of all, let us find the area of flower bed. This is part 1. This is a triangle. What is its base? 4 and height 8. So, area of flower bed 1 will be 4 into 8 over 2, 16 meter square. And area of second flower bed, this is a parallelogram. This length is 3, base is 3 and its height is same 8. So its area will be equal to 3 into 8, 24 square meter. So total area of flower bed is 16 plus 24, 40 meter square. We are done with part 1. In part 2, we have to find the area of grass. Area of grass. We are given that area of grass is 2.5 times area of flower beds. Which is 100 meter square. So area of grass is 100 meter square. Now we have to find the value of x. It is given that, so what is area of grass? A grass, basically this is a trapezium, and its area of trapezium is 1 by 2 into, what is height of trapezium? 8 into sum of two parallel sides, x plus 10. And this we just calculated is equal to 100. So from here I can see 4 times x plus 10 is equal to 100, and x plus 10 is equal to 25, x is equal to 15. This is the last part of this question. Dear student, hope this would have been very easy. Today we have learned about finding the area of different types of triangle and kites. In next lesson, we will move further into the topic. Please do subscribe this channel and also share it with your friends. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.